I want to show you how you can use Outlook with Business Central to communicate with your vendor and to put purchase orders in Business Central from Outlook. So let's go ahead and do this. Here's my email I'm sending to my vendor asking for a price quote on some of these items. Let's send that off. And I received a response back from my vendor giving me pricing on the 3 items that I inquired on. So what I might want to do is get more information on this vendor. I can do that by clicking on Insights here. And I get information about this particular vendor. Now this is a new vendor, so I don't have a lot of transactional information on them. But what I can do from this screen too is I can create a purchase order. So go up here, create a purchase order. So Outlook is going to scan this email looking for items that are in Business Central to see if there's a match. And we got a couple here. I'm going to take this one here. This is one of them. And this one and this one. It's got the items and it picked up the quantities for these two. But I can just add this one here. I wanted 20 of these, so I'm going to take that. I'm going to hit OK, and it's going to create a purchase order. So this is my purchase order. You can see the purchase order number right here. This was created directly in Business Central, and it's ready for approval if that's needed. It's also ready to receive an invoice when that time comes. These are the item details down here. You can see that. I've got the quantities, and I updated the pricing in here, and I'm good. So also what I can do from Outlook is I can send the order to the vendor directly from Outlook. And here's the email back to the vendor approving this purchase. So I can go ahead and send it, and I'm done. So I showed you how you can use Outlook to directly interact with the data in Business Central. I sent an email message to my vendor, received a response with pricing. I created a purchase order in Outlook. It was automatically created in Business Central at the same time. And I can send an order confirmation.